What the heck? Oh, open here. Okay. So this acts as a natural disinfectant to clean the bird cages. So what I got here is very hot water. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna try just measure it out, without. Oh my gosh. I guess getting a tablespoon would have been easier, but it's okay. I don't want to spill it everywhere, so I gotta do it slowly. Okay, that's probably maybe about 3 tablespoons. So, and same with this lemon juice. Do about 3 tablespoons. I like the smell of lemons. Okay, probably 3 tablespoons. So, put the lid on before I shake it. I don't want that to spill everywhere. That'd be bad. So, okay, now I got that. Smells really good. Okay, so. Begin by moving these. Toys. Actually, I'll pause you when I get all the toys out, and I want to remove the bottom, and I'm going to let that soak. So, okay. Okay, well. So, spray these down. So yeah, I like using, the natural stuff that is safe for birds. They have a very sensitive respiratory system. I think that's what it's called. I mean, they're very sensitive, so any chemical can like easily kill them, their lungs, or So, and yeah, gotta try to keep this bird cage clean as much as possible because the longer you make them stay in that filth, they're gonna stink. I'm just kidding, but I mean, I'm just kidding. I think it's just been a few weeks. I've kind of been getting, I haven't been cleaning. I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't been cleaning the bird cage as often as I should. But I am gonna, change that because I want to start doing it, at least. Actually, I want to try to get into a habit of doing it, every day. Instead of twice. I mean, 2 or 3 or 4 times. I'm doing that 4 times. I mean, I don't know how to say that. Whatever. Once every 4 weeks or something. It's just not healthy for them, and the only reason I've been haven't been doing it weekly or as often as I should is because I get really tired and I just don't really have the energy. And I have thought, a few times, I mean many times, giving him a home, someone that would be able to spend the time all the time. But I mean, I love him so much and I wouldn't want to, I fear, even if I were to do that, there's so many people, you just don't know who you're gonna give them, your pet to. That could be a serial killer, that could just be an animal murderer, just... Anyways, I know he's, safe with me, and I love my bird, and I would be really sad to give him away, so now I just want to start by cleaning his bird cage every day. I want to try to start doing that every day. So yeah, I'm gonna let this soak maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna scrub it, and it should just come right off. And then I'll let you see me wipe down the outside of it, and then I'll let you watch me soak the bird toys and stuff. I'll pause you. And I think I'm gonna just remove this toy, this brown toy there. He never goes on it. He's scared of it. I've never saw him go on it, so it's pointless just leaving it in there. See that toy right there, this ladder, I was scared of it, I don't know why, so I'm just gonna get it out of there. Okay, so I just rinsed it. I had to scrub it a little bit with a toothbrush. I need to get another type of scrubbing thing. Toothbrush doesn't work very well. So I'm just drying it down with some paper towel. One thing when you're cleaning bird cages is you want to make sure that they're dry. Because I mean, if you leave them wet, then that can be a home for mold. Mold can easily just be a home. It's a home, It creates mold, sometimes it could. So I'm gonna make sure it's dry. And hold on. Okay. So I just put down some flyers. So that's done. Okay, I got a bucket full of hot water. Put the toys in there. You know, because they got crap on there. I want to make sure I clean them. This one too. Get there, let that soak. Not too long. And this, since I got a lot left over, I'm just going to pour some in here. Some people will use vinegar. You can use vinegar and water, but I'm, stick with this. I'll add just a little bit more. Not too much. It's really good cleaning stuff. Natural. So I'll let that soak for maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'll scrub them clean, and then I'll let them dry before placing them back in the cage. I love my little bird. So yeah, I want to try and make this a habit of maybe doing this every day instead of, so I haven't been cleaning the bird cage as often as I should, as often, as I want to, because I get tired so easily, but I really love him, and he deserves to have his bird cage cleaned every day. So I think that's my goal I want to try and make. I love this little guy so much. I do want to get him some vitamins. I did try to look for them in store, like the pet store. I didn't really see like what I was looking for. And so I'm going to try look at a different pet store next time we go out into the city. Try find him some vitamins. I start adding that into his food. I got a different type, but it's not the type of vitamins I was looking for. Vitamin supplement. So yeah, and I'm gonna change his water dish and his food dish. His water dish and food dish should be changed. Well, the water dish should be changed and cleaned every day, and the food dish every few days or once a week, because it doesn't get as dirty as a water dish does. So yeah, the water dish being cleaned every day is important. Okay, so I just got some water in this bowl here. Just some warm water, and I added the baking soda and lemon juice a little bit. Now I'm just gonna clean the cage walls, wires, or whatever they're called. But my bird's gonna try and attack this. Gonna try and fight. He's like, get away from my cage. Wherever this white thing is. So yeah, let's just kind of clean it, get rid of the dust, debris or whatever, because they tons of little, I don't know what it's called, but they it comes from your skin, so that needs to be wiped up. And as I said, this is all natural, so it's not gonna I'll just pause you when I'm done. It'll take a while, probably. Almost done. So yeah, it is very time consuming to just, take care of a bird, clean their cages, and it's just, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. They are really good friends. Look at how cute he is. Alright, I'm all done. I'm not gonna add the other toys, that little place. I forget what it's called, but he goes in there and sleeps in there. It's that gray thing. And the other toy, I'm just gonna let them soak. I'm gonna let them air dry. Maybe put them up against like the heater. And then once they're fully dry, I'll put them back in here. And I added that other toy in there. I forgot to say that sometimes I do clean the bird toys with dish soap. So yeah, I don't always use the lemon. I actually just started using the lemon and the baking soda not long ago, like just today. I heard other bird owners, they use that. It's a natural cleaning thing, so I finally got the stuff for it. And so yeah, my goal is to start cleaning the bird cage every day. I am like a really clean freak. When I do clean, I want to make sure I don't leave any spot behind, like any germ, any crap. I like to make sure I get it all. So yeah, I think I'm done. I'm gonna clean his water dish and give him fresh food.